We're now going to talk about the conference feature. It's a very typical business situation where you have to speak to more than one person at the same time. The number of parties you can have in a conference will vary depending on system setup. The OpenStage phones themselves support three-party conferencing. But with the communication system that the OpenStage is connected to, it's possible to dramatically increase the number of people you have in a conference. However, for today, we're going to focus on configuring the three-party conferencing available with the OpenStage phones. Now let's show how it works. Once again, I'm engaged in a call with my colleague Bob. The conversation is going into matters regarding finance that neither of us have quite the level of depth on that we need, so we're deciding to bring in the controller, Hans, to help us with the financial details. To use conferencing, I simply go to the context menu, which, by the way, shows up usually during the first 30 seconds of a call by default, but after that it disappears. So if you have to use the context menu to set up a conference or hold or any other option, after 30 seconds, simply press the right arrow key on the touch guide. The context menu shows up, and the first option you'll see there is Consult. I then press OK to begin the consult process. At this point, I have to dial Hans's extension, and then press the OK key to dial. Hans is now picked up, and so then I get a new context menu that shows up showing the options available to me. I scroll down with the down arrow key on the touch guide and press OK over conference. Hans, Bob, and myself are now engaged in a three-party conference call. Nice and easy.